Hi, I'm Michael Levene with Applikate Technologies. We're developing a new platform for pathology for processing tissue and taking digital images directly from the tissue. We like to say that we're doing for pathology what the digital camera did for photography. The digital camera got rid of film and negatives. We're getting rid of microscope slides. So it really stands to revolutionize the way pathology works. And when we first came into CDL, we really had the technology down. We'd received a lot of NIH money and made a lot of progress on developing it. My business partner, Rick Torres, and I both have a science background. We had both been professors at Yale. And so we really were very strong on the technical side, but neither one of us had any real business experience. And so we came into CDL knowing that we had to move beyond the sort of cocoon of NIH funding. We had to start to bring in some private money, but we also had gotten the technology to the point where it was time to get a strategy for going to market. And we knew eventually we'd also need some business talent. And so coming into CDL, we knew that those were our needs. And that's really, I think, one of the things that CDL is really geared for and great at is taking people who really have a strong idea and product and helping them kind of wrap a business around that and also, of course, get the funding they need. So CDL was just fantastic for us. We got a huge network of contacts through it. No, I'm not a natural networker, and I now have a Rolodex of over 50 people with great business experience who I can call and get advice. Everybody is super helpful. They all say, call me anytime, and they mean it. And on top of that, from the funding point of view, we were able to really refine our pitch deck. Our product has a kind of complicated story. It addresses both a very old product area of pathology, but a very new area in digital area. And so it's getting that story right and for the different audiences was a bit of a challenge. They really helped us get that pitch, but then on top of that, they helped us get the funding. So we ended up having a very largely oversubscribed seed round. We got all the money and more that we needed. And on top of that, we got a really good team of advisors. In fact, one of our lead investor actually came on now as 50% time to help us manage the company. So we brought in great business talent. We have now really people we can pick from to create a great advisory board. And like I said, we have that huge list of contacts moving forward. So we really went from, it was more than a science project, but it was really a very science-based activities in terms of getting the technology up and ready to now a real business enterprise where we really have a strategy for going to market. We have the funding we need to go to market. And we're really excited with everything CDL did for us.